This is Digital Tools for Architects tutorial Photoshop 1.2. Today we're going to work with our histograms to adjust the levels on a particular image. And so this is a technique that photographers use quite frequently. And a lot of times the slang term for this is called doing a levels call. And so that's what we're going to do on this image. And so in this particular image, I want to start with a levels call. And you'll see a little bit better what will happen once I start doing this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the layer menu here, and I'm going to say new adjustment layer. And just like in Photoshop 1.1, we're going to create an adjustment layer here, only this time we're going to select levels as our adjustment layer. And I'll leave this as saying that is actually the levels 1, that's fine, adjustment, because I know that it'll be a levels adjustment. And once I do that, you'll see that I get a histogram of my overall image. And this histogram represents the value of colors that are in the image from black all the way to white. And it's done right here in grayscale. So I'm not concerned whether it's blue or red. It's just taking the equivalent gray value of that particular color. And so when I look at a histogram, what I want is I want there to be a true black and a true white in my image. And so if we look at this particular image, we see that I do actually have a true white, and that is this sun right here. But I don't really have a true black. If I was looking down here, maybe that's the closest to true black that I have. And so what a levels adjustment allows you to do is it allows you to say, okay, wait a minute, I'm going to adjust so that I do in fact have a pure black in the image. And so the way that I'll do that is I'll drag this little triangle here over to where the start of the graph occurs. And so what that's done is it's adjusted and changed the black or the relative dark places in the image to be starting, right, so that I have a true black in the image. And you can see what a difference that makes in my overall image, where I'm kind of light and faded, and by the time I pull this in, now I kind of have a true black that's in the image. Now, if I had a lack of white in the image, which I don't in this particular one, I would be pulling down this triangle as well as part of the levels adjustment. And so it's just one of those things that you have to get used to, seeing this histogram and understanding what it represents in your particular image. But you could see rather quickly what a levels adjustment does in terms of enhancing the overall image. And so that's it for Photoshop 1.2 levels.